Hello, little gull. Are you chilling? It's so cute. Just a few minutes ago there was a whole racket of a few of them, and now everything is nice and calm. And bye. There's another one. It's so very gloomy today. What are you saying? You're a noisy one. Well, most of them are. But it gets annoyed as soon as another one is flying by its spot. Hello. Are you back? Oh. There's one of the noisy ones. And they're gone. Another one has landed. You're pretty too. Do you have a story to tell? Or you'll keep it to yourself? Many of them are down there foraging for yummy morsels to eat. Right, that's it with the gull encounters for today. See you another time.